How to buy SupplyVestAI token. So this token came under the symbol of SupplyAI. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Direct account and keep following their updates about this token and go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have a big community there. So check their Telegram too. They included on Direct account. So this token is available on the screen. As you can see, it's launched by 5 hours ago. So this token is increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, the market cap for that token is $2.9 million and the volume is $20 million. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's million investment in the safe place. So this token is trending number 6 in the screener. And to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token is under the Solana network. So open your Phantomize for that. Click on swap, make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet, click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Now click on it. Here type how much you want to buy, for example 1 Solana, and as you can see, this is how much you receive for 1 Solana if you want to buy with it. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issue after that, make sure to back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, because the most issues came from the slip hash. So after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SupplyAI token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.